met the defense minister. So what was the discussion on?
Huh?
You met the defense minister. So Daboli airport आचर किती
See,
उरलेलो?
meeting defense minister was a follow-up. Here meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister was there, Sadanand Tanavade was there, Honorable Member of Parliament, Honorable MLA Nilesh Kabral was there, I was there. So he had said to clearly told Sri Sadanand Tanavade and me, both of you come and follow it up. Let us put speculation to rest.
On Daboli airport?
Yeah. And come with a memorandum so that something is there in writing. So I gave a detailed memorandum. Memorandum listed 3 things. Number 1, Dabolim has to continue at no cost. There should ever be a signal emanating that it can close down. Number 2, it was that NOTAM timing when civilian flights cannot land, that is from 8:30 to 12:30, and then thereafter 1 hour in the evening. I said these things have to be removed. Then it will be an open airport. I said there are other 4 airports in the country where such a thing is there. They are able to operate both civilian as well as defense flights. It is not the case that some special favor would be done or something. It is happening elsewhere in the country. Why not for Goa? When you say Goa is the best tourism destination, when you are looking at Goa as one of the best places to boost tourism, when central government is encouraging us, they should also support a unique thing of having 2 airports for a small state like Goa. Dabolim International Airport in the south and Mopa Airport in the north. At present, if you look at the statistics, Mopa Airport, 70% of the traffic is from Maharashtra. So it is catering only 30% of the local Goan population. But it is very much required because it has to boost more people coming in from that airport as well. But not at the cost of Dabolim, which is sought to be done. And now GMR, taking advantage of the situation, is lobbying very, very hard. In fact, they are trying to take the Navy on their side. And they are trying to tell through the mouths of naval chief and other people that we need it for defense, that airport.
So GMR is trying to do that.
This is a trick being played by GMR. And I know this, and I know this is happening. That's why I am saying. That's why we are working very hard. Because it is a commitment we have given to the people of Goa. Whether it is previous government, whether it is our government, that is the BJP government, we have given a commitment and we have to live up to that commitment.
So Defense Minister has given a commitment now?
Yes.
Whatever it is.
Defense Minister has given a commitment, but we will still be pursuing it even further with more higher authorities if required, means Honorable Prime Minister if required. It has to reach that level.
What about those
that
flights?
Goa should have 2 airports necessarily if we are thinking of Goa as one of the best tourism destination and with the special love and care for Goa that BJP has always displayed.
What about the flights which have gone shifted from Dabolim to Mopa?
See, once you don't have NOTAM timings, automatically they can shift back, no? Because the timings come in the way.
So you will pursue with this issue also?
Yes.
About this flights?
Yes. No, this has already been mentioned in the memorandum.
Okay.
The third thing which I pursued with the Honorable Defence Minister is in other states there have been cases when from defence establishment 10 meters away from the wall you are allowed to build. And in Goa it is 500 meters. Why should this thing continue in Goa?
Okay.
Why Goa is being discriminated? We don't have that much of land. We have a small mass of land.
So what he had to say on this? What he had to say on this?
He said that is under active consideration. It is there on his table. These things cannot be decided quickly like that. Okay. So
Yes.
This is what we have listed when we during this visit and meeting with the Honorable Defence Minister.
Yeah. Thank you,
thank
sir.
you.